Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the SkyLynkX Starlink Cable Gen 2. A 50-foot replacement extension cable designed specifically for the Starlink Gen 2 system. If you've ever wanted to extend your Starlink setup without compromising signal quality, this cable promises to do just that. The SkyLynkX Starlink Gen 2 cable is built with high-quality 26 Aruban fluorines oxygen-free copper and is UL certified, ensuring reliable and safe data transmission. It's designed to handle speeds up to 1,200 megabits per second, which means streaming, gaming, and high-speed internet access should remain smooth even when extending your connection. The connectors are standard RJ45, designed for a snug fit that ensures stable connectivity. A simple plug-and-play design makes installation quick and straightforward, although it's important to make sure the connectors sit flush with the metal pins for optimal performance. Durability is a key feature here. The cable has a waterproof PVC shell, resistant to aging and wear, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're facing high temperatures, heavy rain, or strong winds, the SkyLynkX cable is built to withstand these conditions while maintaining a stable connection. For environments with potential electronic interference, the cable comes with double shielding and optimized twisted pair construction to minimize EMI, keeping your data transmission consistent and reliable. SkyLynkX offers a range of cable lengths, from 30 feet to 150 feet, so you can choose the extension that best fits your setup. The 50-foot version strikes a balance between reach and manageability, making it ideal for most home or small office installations. It's compatible with the Starlink Gen 2 dish and router, ensuring that the cable integrates seamlessly into your existing Starlink system. In the box, you get the Starlink Gen 2 cable along with an instruction manual to guide you through setup. SkyLynkX positions itself as a brand focused on smart, durable accessories for Starlink users, offering 6 months of dedicated support and designing products to solve real-world connectivity challenges. Overall, if you need a reliable, weatherproof extension for your Starlink Gen 2 system without sacrificing speed or signal quality, the SkyLynkX 50-foot cable could be the solution. It's built to last, engineered for performance, and designed to make extending your Starlink setup simple and effective. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product analyses.